Let's compare real estate search without transparency to real estate search with transparency. We'll start with a typical real estate search, putting in a price range with a minimum and max, a zip code, and a number of bedrooms. We'll hit search and we'll see what we get without using transparency on a standard SQL query to a database. We're getting only one result, and this result is the only item in the database in the right price range with the right number of bedrooms and the right zip code. Now, it's great that we got one result, but if we're the end user, it's also frustrating. We're going to have to expand the price range, change the zip code, modify the number of bedrooms, perhaps multiple times, in order to see what we get when we stretch the search one way or stretch it the other way. This is time consuming, and it's not easy or fun for the end user. Lots of users are going to get frustrated and leave the site rather than stick around to do it. Let's try the same search with transparency. Here are our results. We see that the first result is the same perfect match that we got when we did this search with the database. But underneath, rather than shutting us down with no more results found, transparency is telling us that there are no more exact matches, but there are plenty of very good matches in the data set. Underneath, we see lots of matches in the right price range, the right zip code, and although they're not a 100% match for number of bedrooms, these are clearly very close. Now, at a certain point down here, we run out of items that are close in number of bedrooms but perfect for zip and for price, and we start to see items in the right price range with the right number of bedrooms in the next zip over and the next zip over. Transparency is balancing the number of bedrooms we wanted against the zip code that we wanted while maintaining the price range within the minimum and the maximum that we specified. Now, it may be that I don't like these particular choices. I may not want a 3-bedroom place, even if it's in the right zip code, because I've got 4 kids. Transparency gives me these sliders at the top of the screen. You'll see it says drag the slider to adjust the weighting of the column. I'm going to grab the 4-bedroom slider and move it just a bit to the right. And you'll see that in real time, the first 2 items have already become 4-bedroom places because I've told the system that I prefer a 4-bedroom to a 3-bedroom and that matters more to me than zip. I'll drag this slider a little bit further over, and we'll see now the 3rd property has also become a 4-bedroom. If I make zip code less important, suddenly they're all 4 bedrooms, they're all in the right price range, and they start in the right zip and then move outward. We've told the system that we care more about number of bedrooms and price than zip code, so that's what it's showing us.